How to make a fuck cancer bracelet. The first thing you need is pearls, of course. I bought this on Amazon and I will link it in the description below. You need a plastic thread, scissor, and then you will just measure around. Make sure you have a little space. And choop. I have the pearls in front of me now, so I will just put them on. So I will start here and I will just put them in and see how many pearls I actually do need. You can write anything you want to write, like you can say love, or if you want your cat's name or your dog's name or your lover, I don't know. You can write whatever you want to write. So in my case right now, fuck cancer. Okay, so cancer is on, and I will have one pearl just to divide those two words. Choo choo ba choo choo ba choo 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 ba choo choo ba choo. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I need some more pearls. Yes, I do. You can just put on whatever you want to. Whoop. If you want like more colors, you use more colors. If not, you use one. Just do what makes you happy. Okay. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. And in this kit that I bought, there's a lot of beautiful colors. And there's a lot of other pearls, like letters, stars. Yeah. Maybe I need some more pearls. Hang on. Oh, almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsie. Maybe this is enough. Okay. I will just measure it with the old one. Maybe a bit too tight. You know what? I think it's perfect. A bit too tight. There you go. You have your fuck cancer bracelet all done. Okay, the last step, because this is a strong and stretchy plastic thread, you can actually just tie it together. So you would do one tie, then you will tie it one more, and one last one. Let's see. Yes! Final step. Cut these off, and you have your cancer bracelet. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you want me to do something else. Bye!